In this video, we're diving into how to build a TikTok dropshipping store from scratch using a tool called Storebuild.ai. If you've ever wanted to launch a Shopify store, but you've been overwhelmed by all the moving parts, design, product descriptions, branding, fulfillment, this video is for you. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you start and grow your e-commerce business with the tools that make your life a whole lot easier. So let's get into it. Why Storebuild.ai makes this so easy. If you've ever tried building a Shopify store by hand, you already know how time consuming it can be. Choosing a theme, customizing the design, writing product descriptions, importing products, connecting suppliers, and making everything actually look good. It can eat up days before you even get your first sale. Storebuild.ai is here to shortcut that entire process. It's an AI-powered tool that helps you build a ready-to-launch dropshipping store in under an hour. No coding, no design work, no complicated back-end stuff. Just answer a few simple questions and Storebuild.ai handles the rest. By the end of this process, you'll have a branded Shopify store that looks clean, feels professional, and is loaded with trending products that you can start selling immediately. Now let me show you exactly how it works. But first, if you want to get started with Storebuild.ai, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to follow along. Step 1, sign up and start your free build. First things first, click the link down below in the description. Right there on the homepage, there's a button that says Build My Free Store. Go ahead and click that. You'll be asked for your name, email, and to set a password. It's free to get started, and you'll land inside a super clean dashboard that walks you through the process step by step. There are 8 steps in total. Number 1, choose your niche. Number 2, pick your color palette. Number 3, select a homepage banner. Number 4, connect your Shopify account. 5, import products using Zendrop. 6, let Storebuild design your store. 7, make any final tweaks. And 8, go live. So after you go ahead and click the link down in the description, you'll be brought to this page right here. We'll go ahead and click on Build My Store for free. And it's just going to ask you for your first name, your email address, and your phone number. Step 2, choose your niche and branding. Now, first up, we have to pick our niche. So Storebuild gives you a couple categories to choose from, like clothing, pets, tech, home, sports, or you can click on need inspiration, whatever fits your interests or your target audience. Like I said, there's even a need inspiration option if you're not sure where to start. Once you choose a niche, Storebuild tailors the rest of the experience around that. The homepage layout, suggested products, even the banner images that you'll see, they all reflect the niche that you pick. Then you pick your branding colors. You can go with something bold and bright or keep it neutral and minimalist. Now, this might sound minor, but your colors actually impact how people feel about your store. The curated palettes inside Storebuild.ai all look good out of the gate, so you won't have to guess. Lastly, choose a homepage banner. If you're building a pet store, you'll get a dog or cat themed banner. If you're doing fitness, you'll see gym and workout graphics. These look professionally designed, and you don't have to go find them or create them yourself. All right, so let's go ahead, and for this example, I'm gonna go ahead and choose tech, and then we'll go ahead and click next. And then here's just gonna ask us to choose our color palette. We've got orange, green, black, and red. And I kind of like the sleekness of this black, so I'll go ahead and select that and click next. Then this is where we choose our homepage banner. So we've got a few to choose from here. And again, this is something we can change down the line, but these are what we're given right out of the gate. So I kind of like this first one, kind of looks techie, and we'll go ahead and click next. Step 3, connect your Shopify store. Now it's time to connect Storebuild to your Shopify store. If you already have a Shopify store, great. You can link it right away. If not, Storebuild will walk you through creating one. Now, just a heads up, Storebuild.ai won't fully work if you're still on Shopify's free trial. You'll need to choose a paid plan. But here's the good news. Shopify's basic plan only costs $1 for the first 3 months. So you're still getting in for basically nothing. Once you've created your Shopify account, you'll copy your store URL and paste it back into Storebuild. And just like that, your accounts are synced. All right, so it looks like our store is built. So I'm gonna go click on Claim My Store. And now it's going to ask us to create our Shopify account. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a brand new account for this demo here. So I'll click on Create Shopify Account. And then here I'm just gonna enter in my email address and click on Start Free Trial. So here Shopify has a little setup wizard, but I'm gonna go ahead and click Skip Customized Setup just to speed this along here. But if you're new to Shopify, I recommend going through that just so you can kind of learn a little bit about it. So now that we've got our Shopify account, again, we're gonna go ahead and just select a plan here. And again, to get the full access to Storebuild.ai, we need a paid Shopify account. So again, I'm going to choose this basic plan here, but you're not going to be charged yet. You won't be charged until 3 days from now, and then you'll be charged $1 each month for the next 3 months. Okay, once that's taken care of and you've selected a plan, let's come back here to Storebuild.ai. We went ahead and selected the basic plan with the VIP discount. Now let's go ahead and click next. All right, so next we got to go ahead and get our Shopify URL. So we'll come back to our Shopify page here. We'll just copy the link from right here, which you can see right there. We'll just go ahead and copy that. Come back here to Storebuild.ai, and we're going to go ahead and paste this in and click save. Once you go ahead and press save, this next button becomes ungrayed out. So we'll go ahead and click next. Step 4, import products with Zendrop. Now here's where things get really interesting. Storebuild integrates with Zendrop, a dropshipping supplier platform that gives you access to trending products with just a few clicks. This is a huge time saver. Instead of manually adding products, writing descriptions, uploading photos, and setting prices, Storebuild pulls it all in for you with Zendrop. All you have to do is install Zendrop from inside the Storebuild dashboard, connect it to your Shopify store, and then Storebuild.ai will do the rest. It'll automatically import products with images, pricing, and pre-written descriptions. You can also go into Zendrop later and add or remove products that you like or don't like. They have everything from beauty tools to kitchen gadgets to TikTok viral products. It's super easy to browse, and you can even filter by shipping location, product cost, or popularity. So to do that, let's go ahead and click on add winning products, and this will get us signed up here for Zendrop. So we'll go ahead and click install here, and then this should open up our Shopify account here, and we can go ahead and click install, and we'll go ahead and click approve. We'll go ahead and click on continue onboarding here, and this brings us back here to Storebuild.ai. Step 5, let Storebuild create your store. Now at this point, you've chosen your niche, added your branding, connected your Shopify account, and linked Zendrop. Now comes the fun part. You hit build my store button, and Storebuild takes care of everything. It creates your homepage, branded layout with banners and colors, product pages with images and copy, add to cart buttons, trust badges, ratings and reviews if available. And all this happens in just a few minutes. You can still tweak things after the fact. Maybe you want to change the title of a product? Easy. Want to reorder the images to adjust the layout? You can do that too. Storebuild just gives you a clean, optimized starting point that you can customize from there. So let's go ahead and click on receive store. And now Storebuild.ai is going to go ahead and work on building our site in the background. Step 6, go live. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to hit the go live button. With that click, your store is live. You now have a fully functional e-commerce ready Shopify site with products that you can start selling today. No themes to fiddle with, no designers to hire, no guesswork, just a clean professional store built by AI, way less than under an hour. So let's go ahead and click on go live, and it'll take just a minute here for Storebuild to build our store. So what makes a good product page? Now, even though Storebuild.ai handles the hard part, let's talk about what actually makes a product page convert well. First is the copy. Storebuild.ai uses AI to write your descriptions, but it's still worth reviewing and editing them. Try to speak directly to your ideal customers. Make sure you highlight the benefit, not just the feature. If you're selling a portable blender, don't just say that it has 2000 milliamp hour batteries. Say it's powerful enough to blend smoothies on the go. No outlet required. Second, the images. Make sure your product photos are sharp, well lit, and show the item from multiple angles. Zendrop usually provides good media, but check that everything looks right on both desktop and mobile. Third, urgency. Add tags like only 3 left in stock or selling fast. These are simple psychological nudges that push people to act. Fourth, social proof. Even if you don't have any real reviews yet, you can use apps like Judge.me or Looks to collect and display them. Showing star ratings or customer testimonials can boost trust fast. Finally, performance. Make sure that your page loads quickly and looks good on mobile. Storebuild.ai stores are mobile optimized by default, which is huge since most TikTok traffic comes from phones anyways. All right, it looks like our store is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and click next here. Now, the last thing we have to do is go ahead and click remove password from our Shopify store here. So let's go ahead and turn that off. And from here, let's go ahead and go view our store. So I'm gonna click on this little eyeball here to view we'll click save, and then we'll go ahead and click view our online store. And now now we can go ahead and see what it looks like. So again, this is all built by AI. Now, obviously it's not perfect yet, but it's getting pretty close. And like I said earlier, it's a really good starting point. It's much better to start with this and have something to edit than just staring at a blank screen. So if we scroll down here, we'll see some, that we got top quality products, worldwide shipping, money back guarantee. We can go ahead and scroll through here, look at some testimonials. Now up here at the top, we can come here to catalog and start looking at some of the products that were brought in here by Zendrop. Now, obviously we can go in and change all of these, but this is just what it went ahead and brought in for us. Now we also have this contact page here where we can go ahead and people can get in touch with us, but that's the store. And like I said, it's a really good place to start instead of staring at a blank screen. Customizing after the build. Now, once your store is live, you can still go into your Shopify dashboard and make changes. You can add FAQ sections, update the menu or navigation, add pages like about, contact, or a shipping policy. You can even create bundle offers or upsells. Everything you need is in there. And since the hard work's already done for you, these edits are simple polish rather than the heavy lifting. Zendrop perks plus the Academy. Now, before we wrap things up, let me quickly mention something cool about Zendrop. Now, if you stay on as a paid user, you get access to Zendrop Academy, which is full of training videos, coaching sessions, and strategies for growing your dropshipping business. It's honestly super helpful if you're new. You also get $200 in order credits, which you can use to fulfill customer orders. That means your first few sales can be completely profit. This isn't just theory. This is a real way to launch an e-commerce business with as little friction as possible. Now, again, if you want to get started with Storebuild.ai or Zendrop, we'll have links for both of you down in the description below. Now, a few years ago, building a Shopify store from scratch meant hours of theme editing, design decisions, product research, and copywriting. Today, with tools like Storebuild.ai and Zendrop, you can launch a store in under an hour, sell trending products, and customize as you go. You still need to do the work. You still need to test products, drive traffic, and learn how to market. But Storebuild.ai takes care of the technical stuff, so you can focus on what actually matters, making sales and growing your brand. Now, if you want to check out Storebuild.ai or Zendrop, we'll have links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which mean we earn a small commission if you use them at no extra cost to you. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're to help you start and grow your e-commerce business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.